everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to do some more scales and chords practice. Let's get started! Alright, so we are going to practice identifying scales. Then we're going to practice identifying what scale degree these triads are built on. And then we're going to practice identifying some solfege. Okay, so the first one is an example. They've already filled it in for us. How kind of them. So this scale is C major, starts on C, has no sharps or flats, C major. And then we have this first chord starting on C. That is the tonic, right? So that's one chord. We filled that in. Then this is starting on F. So that's our four chord or the subdominant. This one starts on G. So that's our G chord or the dominant. And then C, which is our tonic. Okay. And then they even wrote in our solfege. We have C, which in C major is do. F is fa. G is so, and back to do. All right, let's play it so we can follow along. So a C major chord, we know this one. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, then we have our one chord, and then we have the four based on F, right? This is our subdominant. Then we go to our G chord, which is the dominant, and then up to C. That's our one, or the tonic. Okay, now let's look at our solfege. So we have C, F, G, C. We have do, fa, so, do. Okay, and it's the same sounding in right and left hands, so let's sing it. Here we go. Do, fa, so, do. Okay, good job. Let's keep going. All right, I'm going to get my handy dandy pencil out now. We have a scale starting on A, and we have three sharps. C sharp here, F sharp, and G sharp. So this must be our A major scale. Okay, so in A major, if the chord is starting on A, that is our one chord, based on scale degree 1, tonic chord. Okay, then we have this one starting on E. What's E in A major? That's our 5 chord, or the dominant. Then we have D, right, which in A major is the 4, scale degree 4, or the subdominant chord. And then this is A again, back to 1. Okay. All right, solfege-wise, we have A, which is do, okay, A major. Then we have E, both E's, looks different, but they're both E's, and that is what in A major? So, very good. And then right below so, we always have fa, okay, or D in A major. And then we have back to A, which is our 1, or our do. Okay, let's try playing it all. Okay, so we're up here. We're going to have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Ooh. Now can we play those chords? This is our 1 chord. Okay, nice. Then we have our 5 chord, or our dominant. Okay, nice. Then we have our subdominant, right, or the 4 chord. And then we go back to 1. Okay, cool. How about playing the solfege here? Okay, looks kind of mirrored, right, but a little bit different. So let's see how it goes. We have A, E, D, A. Let's sing the right hand. Okay, I'll probably sing it down the octave. Here we go. Do, so, fa, do. Now let's sing the left hand. Do, so, fa, do. Oh, that was pretty low. But if you got it, good job. You can sing it in any octave you want to. Next. Oops, where did I get my pencil? There it is. All right, we have a scale starting on B, and we have a whole bunch of sharps. We have C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. 5 sharps. So we know that this scale is B major. Okay. And then what are our chords here? This starts on B, right? Which is our tonic. 1, scale degree 1. And then we have F sharp, which in B major is the 5, scale degree 5, or our dominant chord. Then we have E, which is the 4, or our subdominant, and then back to B, which is the 1 or the tonic. Okay, how about the solfege? So B is always do, right? Or it's B is the scale degree 1, which is always do. Then we have F sharp, which we decided is scale degree 5, just so. And then right below so is fa. And then B is do again. Okay, shall we try playing this? Now remember, B is the one where our left hand starts on 4 and we cross over to 4. Let's try it. So we have B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Our B major scale. Fun. All right, now let's get all of our sharps right. So we have our 1 chord. Okay, then we're going to have our dominant chord, our 5 chord, right? All right, all 3 of those are sharp. And then we go to our subdominant, the 4, okay? Okay, and then back to 1. Okay, nice. I like that. 1, 5, 4, 1. Let's take a look at our solfege here. We have B, F sharp, E, B. Want to try singing that? It's going to sound the same in both the right and left hand, so we just sing it one time. So we go do, sol, fa, do. All right. We are so good at this now. Let's keep on going. Now here we have a scale starting on E, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sharps. F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and D sharp. So what scale do we have? Why, E major, of course. And then we have, okay, this is starting on B. So what note is B in the E major scale? That is our 5th scale degree, or our dominant chord. Then we have starting on E, so that's our tonic, starting on 1. Then we have A, okay, in the key of E, that is our 4th scale degree. Starts on our 4th scale degree, so it's our subdominant, and then E again, so that's 1. Ooh, so we're going to go 5, 1, 4, 1 this time. Okay, let's look at the solfege. So we have B, and we know in E that's going to be so, right? That's our 5th scale degree. Then we have E, which is do, okay, scale degree 1. And then we have A, which is going to be fa, and then back to our scale degree 1, which is do, or E here. All right, shall we try playing this? Going to be E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Okay, so that's our E major scale. Now, let's look at our chords. Okay, so get all our sharps in there. We have the 5 chord. This is our dominant that we're going to start with. Okay, then we're going to go to our 1, or the tonic. Okay, then we're going to play our subdominant, or the 4. And then back to our tonic. Oh, I like that. Okay, how about some solfege? Okay, it does look a little bit different, but I know they're the same notes. So let's practice playing them. Okay, let's try singing it. I'll sing the right hand first. So we'll sing so, do, fa, do. Shall we try singing the left hand now? Okay, here we go. So, do, fa, do. Ooh, that was kind of low. All right, that was fun. Okay, now we're going to try some minor mode. So our example shows us A minor. So this starts on A, and there are no sharps and flats. So we know this is A minor, the A minor scale. This is a chord starting on A, which is our tonic, right? Scale degree 1. And then E is our 5th scale degree. So that's our dominant, or 5 chord. Then we have this on starting on D, which is the 4th scale degree, or subdominant, 4 chord. And then back to 1, starting on A, our 1 chord. Then we see, we have A, which is do in A minor. And then the 5th scale degree is so. Right underneath so is fa, and back up to do on the A's. So let's try playing that. So starting on A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That is our A minor scale. All right, let's play our 1 chord in A minor. Oh, okay. Then we have our 5 chord, the dominant. And then we're going to play the 4, the subdominant. And then back to our tonic. take a look at the solfege. We have, let's see, A, E, D, A. Okay, and it's gonna sing the same. It's gonna sound the same in both hands. So let's try singing it. Do, so, fa, do. Okay, so this next scale starts on F, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flats. So this is the F minor scale. We have A flat, B flat, D flat, and E flat. All right, now let's identify our chords. So this one is starting on F, so in F minor, that's going to be our tonic, or the 1. Where's B flat in F? F minor, that's going to be our 4th scale degree, or 4 chord, or our subdominant. C is going to be our scale degree 5, so our 5 chord, and our dominant, and then back to F, or our 1 chord. Okay, now let's look at our solfege. So F is do, obviously, that's our 1. And then we have B flat, which we decided is our 4th scale degree, so that's fa. And then right above that we have so, or C, and then back to F, or do. All right, let's try playing this. Okay, so we're going to play our scale first of all. Here we go. F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F. Wow, lots of flats in there. So that's our F minor scale. Let's take a look at our chords. So our 1 chord here, okay, so that's our tonic triad. And then we're going to go to the B flat, or the subdominant chord. Okay, good. Now we're going to play the dominant chord. Okay, getting there. And we're almost back to 1 now. Very cool. All right, so that's 1, 4, 5, 1. All right, let's give our solfege a whirl here. Okay, that's quite a range for us to sing. Let's start with our right hand. How about that? So I'm going to sing an octave down here. Do, fa, so, do. Okay. All right, now let's sing our left hand. We have do, fa, so, do. Well, can't quite get there. It's a little low for me. But we did it. Good job, everyone. All right. Next one. Where's my pencil? We have a scale that starts on a G, and then we have 2 flats, B flat and E flat. So what scale is this? G minor. That's our G minor scale. Now let's identify some chords. So this starts on G. That's our tonic, or our 1 chord. And then we have this starting on C, okay? In G, C is going to be our 4 chord, or our subdominant. Then we have our D. This is going to be our 5 chord, or our dominant chord. Then we're going to go back to G, which is our 1 chord. Oh, and I just noticed that we don't have our, our E flat there, right? Because we have E flat. We don't have that written in here. So I'll add that in. I'm missing it anywhere else? Nope. Good. All right. So let's take a look at our solfege. We have G first of all, which we're in G minor, so that's do. Okay. Then what scale degree is C? That's our 4th scale degree. So we have fa. Our 5th scale degree D is so, and then back to G, which is do. Okay. All right. Let us try playing our G minor scale. So we have G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G. G minor. Should we look at our chords here? Let's see. So we have our 1 chord. Okay. Then we're going to go to our subdominant chord. And then our dominant chord, the 5 chord. And then back to our 1 chord, or the tonic chord. All right. Cool. Okay. How about some solfege? Let's see if we can play this. So we have G, C, D, G. Okay. So I'll sing the right hand first. We have do, fa, so, do. Okay. Can we sing the left hand? Let's try it. do, fa, so, do. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay, next. We have a scale starting on C. We have 3 flats, E flat, A flat, and B flat. So what scale do we have? C minor, of course. Now in C minor, this scale or this chord starts on a G. So this is our 5th scale degree, or our 5 chord, our dominant chord. Then we have a note or a chord starting on C. So this is going to be our 1 chord, our tonic chord. Then we have it starting on F. That's our 4 chord, or the subdominant. And then back to C, our 1 chord. Okay, let's look at the solfege. So we have G's, C minor, so that's going to be so, scale degree 5. Then we have our C's, which is do. Then we have F, which is fa. And then we have C, which is do again. All right, let's give this one a whirl. So starting on C, C minor scale. C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. Okay, that's our C minor scale. Now let's take a look at our chords. So we're going to start on our 5 chord this time. This is our dominant chord, okay? Then we're going to go to our tonic, the 1. And then to our 4 chord, or the subdominant. And then back to our 1 chord. Okay, interesting. Now let's take a look at our solfege. We have G, C, F, C. Okay, or we have so, do, fa, do. Can we see it? Let's sing the right hand first. So we have so, do, fa, do. Or can we sing the left hand? Let's try it. So, do, fa, do. Ah, left hand was easy. All right, good job, everyone. Round of applause. So today, we did some more scales and chords practice. This kind of practice is so good for your ears, your fingers, and your brain. Keep practicing all your songs and scales. Sing while you play and memorize everything. Prestissima out.